Hey there, it's Diane here. Today I wanted to speak to you about helping others. Now, it sounds pretty simple, but do we really do that in our lives? An example would be, hypothetically say, you and I were having an argument, and I felt that you owed me an apology, and you felt you didn't. And we just went round and round and round and round in circles. Does that put you in a happy space? No. It actually drags both of us further and further and further down into a negative space. So we're not in our higher beings, we're actually way off that. So what does it cost us just to say, I'm sorry, or yes, I'm wrong? Because that immediately diffuses the situation and everybody's happy. So, it's, even if you don't believe you owe them an apology, be the bigger person. Because everything is about our attitude and everything is about how we treat each other. So if somebody thinks you need to say sorry and you don't, hey, what's it going to cost you? It's a few words. I am sorry. And it immediately takes it away and you both can move back into a far happier space. So life is all about trying to create happiness for people. So that's my challenge to you today, and maybe for tomorrow as well. Is any situation that you find yourself in which is not a positive situation, but you can diffuse it, take that step. Step into that space and kill it. Bring it back to happiness and peace and love. That's my message for today.